So, what's the ideal diet? You're probably thinking, whoa, there's a lot going on in the pet food industry. And yes, there is. And that's why it's so important that you're here learning. So that way you can make an educated decision on the path forward to ensuring you're feeding the best food possible for your fur family so that they live their healthiest life. When you have an allergy pet, so suspected food sensitivities, food allergies, environmental allergies, and you're looking at introducing a raw food diet, what I recommend is a transition period. So there's a transition period I typically recommend over 2 weeks time, where you're doing a quarter new food with 3/4 old food for a couple days, and then you're slowly increasing it. So half and half, 3/4 to a quarter old, and then you're transitioning to 100% new. If you're seeing anything like loose stool, gassiness, any problems there, you need to slow down the transition. You need to also make sure that we're optimizing gut health to help them. So yes, feeding limited ingredients at first, you can definitely do that. A lot of people will do something where they'll pick like a rabbit and feed that very limited ingredients. Sometimes they'll pick rice and things, and you could potentially pick foods that they're sensitive to. That is a possibility, but it is a cheaper way to try that and transition them. Remember, you can feed a really unbalanced diet for a long time before you cause a problem. So do the transition, get them over to a food that hopefully works better for them, makes them less itchy. And then, if you're worried or they're not doing well, do the NutriScan test. Make sure they're okay, or do that vitamin mineral test, that hair test to see, is there an imbalance present?